Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show how to create a custom shortcode in WordPress using PHP. Shortcodes are a great way to reusable code snippet to your WordPress posts, pages, or even widgets. Whatever you're building, custom features or adding dynamic contents, shortcode make easier streamline your workflow. So let's start it. Before starting, please if you are new on our YouTube channel, must subscribe. If you are already subscribed, so must thumbs up our video for latest and more content. It's really support for us. So let's start it with our tutorial. So the first step is going to our admin dashboard. Need a theme is a must. A child theme is activated. If how to create a child theme, we have already video on it, link in description, and here's the video how to create a child theme using a plugin without any code. So you must watch that video, link in description. So let's start it here. So how to create shortcode and how to add shortcode, how to use shortcode. The first step is using function.php file. So how to open function.php from admin? You need to go theme file editor. So I understand. So the function.theme file. So here's our child theme. So we start code from here. We need define one function. Anything name is my custom shortcode. Pass arguments. So now get the argument or attributes from our arguments. Shortcode adds. This is revert our attributes. Now array, get value from array. Let's suppose I'm using a shortcode pass name. You can understand in after mid of the video once we have defined our shortcode, how you just simply for hold it and no comma and pass adds this one. Now semicolon, close it. So and the next line is showing output. So showing output you can add any variable. So hello, you can just concatenate our function escape HTML. You just get this one and pass our add name is a guest. Now just concatenate, we just add some line. Welcome to our welcome to our YouTube channel. Code crafting with Arslan. Oh, spell mistake. With Arslan, add semicolon, and now return our output. So first you define a function which is a detail of your shortcode. Now you need to add a shortcode. We just add use a hook, add shortcode, which is defined here. This is a shortcode hook, and you must read the documentation of a WordPress. Shortcode hook and add the tagline, which is basically our shortcode, which is we use and get the content and pass the content. And this one is a callback. This is a function which is a perform once we have called this shortcode. So let's back. So and now we just need this code function hook, add shortcode, now we need our shortcode, which is we use a to function to register your custom shortcode with WordPress. So let's add we need some code crafting with Arslan. This is a, you can add anything, and you need a callback function. This is our callback function. Just add a callback function and coming single quote. So now our shortcode is successfully registered. We just reuse and shortcode in our website anywhere where you want to, even you want to use in some error. Unexpected token because we missed this. Oh, here. Now fine. Something we have also missing. Oh yes, this is not. We need a dot. Update. Yes. Now I've shortcode registered, and other fixes. We just copy this one, this code, and now go back to our pages, even post, even Elementor. You can add anything anywhere. So let me add in homepage. Yes, we just view homepage, close it, and now edit. So just add it with Elementor. So now our Elementor is open. Now go to shortcode widget, this widget, and we need to add where we add after. We just need to add there. So go down, scroll down. So now how to add? You just zoom, add a square bracket, start, paste your code, and square bracket close. You can see. So hi hello guest, if you pass the name, let me pass the name because user, you can see now it's changing here. Oh sorry. So our content is here hello user, which is we pass a user, even pass test, hello test. If we don't pass argument, it's by default guest, which is we have already default value is mentioned. If there is no argument passed, it's getting the default value. If the argument is passed, so it's getting that argument value. Let me, so it's now empty. Author, hello author. So just update it. So even you can change, you can add some PHP, you can add some HTML as well as in your shortcode. So you can also create a custom plugin. You can add that code in your custom plugin. This is a very simple and easy steps. So the whole overall you follow these steps, and you use in custom and anywhere. Shortcode can also take permanent and content. So permanent parameters and contents. So let me show you. This is our parameters, and you can also hold our content. This is our content. You can add HTML even. Let me we just add this in bold. So in bold, you go back, reload it, you can see. So author is in a bold case. You can just add a HTML. You can even you can have multiple lines of HTML. Even you can add a whole HTML content here and just return output. Here multiple lines, you just need to the what you do. First line is the same, the other line is like this, dot equal, and now you can add content which is concatenated with this. You can just add a div, add h1 close, our div is close, and h1 is our test shortcode. T is missing. So update file, Oh yes, semicolon is missing. So update it. You must take a backup of your website before you implementing any custom code. You can see our test is here. If I am inspecting the element, you can see h1 div and the author and b, all the content is here. So here's the simple step, and that's how you create a custom shortcode in WordPress using PHP. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who work with WordPress. If you have any questions, suggestion for future video, let me know and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next video.